This is Big Mike's place, the last race of the More series. I am standing in the creek section, which is pretty freaking terrible. And some of the first bikes are gonna just come blazing through here right now. And we're gonna hope they don't die. It is super slippery. There is moss. There is water. It is pretty gross. Pretty freaking gross. That must be the first row. I can hear the next row coming. It's hard to tell how deep the water is. It's just wet. It's slimy. Oh, there's some guys down at the bottom of the creek section already. It just keeps going. It's like the never-ending creek. And there's quite a bit behind where I'm standing. I haven't seen any more go down, but it only gets worse. It only gets worse. And then they pop out into the nice grassy areas and it's fine. Yeah. They come up over there in the distance. And they climb back up another hill. Here we go. Oh, somebody dropped their bike. Nice splashies. And checking out bikes. Here they come, here they come. Nice and easy, probably a good choice. You can either bounce around or play in the slip and slide. It's probably 3 rows so far. I think we've got a few more. Here we go, here we go. Everybody is safe in this very rough terrain. Sounds like the next row is coming. Oh shit! Nice save! making this look easy. It is not. If you've ever ridden a slip and slide on a motorcycle course that's pretending to be a creek. Oh shit, another one down. Then this would be for you. It is go boys! Woo! Go Brett! Woo! Go Brett! Those are my boys. Well, my husband and friend. Decided to pick up an extra race today. She will be riding the ladies class with me later, row B. But she actually, oh shit, except for the falling just there, made this look easy. I'm gonna go check on her.